You can see I'm using this new tool from Amazon, and I'm actually using this pump breastfeeder that is also has all these different attachments, and I'm going to tell you what it does. But as you can see, it has a suction cup here for when you're breastfeeding your kids, and then it also has these bottles. It has two bases, so when you're ready to storage the milk, you can have this top, and then you can have this when you're ready to feed your kids. And then this comes with like, this helps, you can put it in here, and you can allow this to keep your base clean when you're traveling with this in your purse or your bag or your baby bag. This allows it to clean the bottle's top, and then it comes with some extra pieces to refill in case you need those. But it's so cool. I love how it has all these settings. So in order to turn it off, you're gonna hold these three down. Hold this power button down for 3 seconds. To turn it back on, you hold it down for 3 seconds as well. So it has 3 different modes. The P stands for the pump breastfeeding section. And that's where you breastfeed and get that out of your system. And then it has the M, which is the deep expression. It'll cause less problems for your breast as well while you're pumping. And then it also has the heart, which is a massaging button while you're getting the milk out of your breast. And then it has different functions, different frequencies. So this massage button goes all the way up to 5. The P button goes all the way up to 9. And then the M deep expression button goes all the way to 5. So you can hold down these 2 buttons, the plus and minus sign, to allow dual frequency, which will allow it to just basically make sure that you have different functions going at the same time. It's a dual frequency, so it allows it to be more efficient as well. So most moms will probably use this one as well. And as you can see, I'll just turn it off here. I'll hold down the power button for 3 seconds. It also has a charger port, and then it comes with a charger as well. And then also it's super easy to take off. All you have to do is untwist this. You can get the milk, and then if you're ready to feed your baby, you can just twist this on. You can take this cap off and then allow the baby to feed itself. I highly recommend. Hi everyone, as you can see, I'm using